Hi, hello, welcome everyone to the another exciting video with a great exciting product launched in the market. And in this video, we are not going to see what every reviewer is doing in online, like not giving honest reviews and just reading out the most marketing pages. And in our video, we are going to discuss important points to consider before purchasing this KDP program and all about this product. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the marketing page of this KDP program. So before that, let me clarify what is mean by KDP. So I will clarify that doubt. So it is nothing but a digital text platform which is Kindle Direct Publishing. So we already know what is mean by Kindle. So it is the product launched from the Amazon for the ebook. So the authors and publishers to independently publish their books directly to the Kindle stores. So Kindle is the biggest platform we known as for ebooks. So these are the data you will get. So look into the data. So this is the number one in Canada, France, Germany, and all about the book reference also it is the number two. And we know the power of Amazon Kindle. So their author is trying to show we can sell ebooks in Amazon, and also it's for absolutely beginners. So as we know how market cap and the traffic of Amazon Kindle, so ebook selling industry is growing enormous because everyone prefers to have their books to read in those phones or tablets or even in laptops in the form of ebook rather than the physical books. So let's now look at the stat here. Wait, I will show the stat of how big the ebook industry is till now. So it will be the 13.62 billion in 2022, so which we are currently in this modern era. So that's the huge than most of the country's GDP. Yes, but the biggest question is now, why this Amazon Pay? The reason is this is the absolutely beginner friendly. Yes, it designed by keeping in mind to help who are all newbies and beginners to these industries. There are n number of products out there to teach intermediate and advanced one, but there are very few which can help beginners. So Amazon Pay is designed for beginners. So the features of the beginner friendly Amazon Pay are, wait, I will show. So this is the simple 3-step formula. So these are the 3 steps you can start collecting money after publishing the book to Amazon, and it has a video illustration which is the more understandable for beginners. So also we can start with just simple 3 steps I have shown before, and you can read those in this page, and also they are providing proof in front of us. Let's just see. So these are the proof. They generate 23,000 in just 7 days. Yeah, that is the power of ebook. And next question is how this Amazon Pay is different from other competitors product. So that is the important thing we have in our mind. Yes, straight away after video training session you can see publishing in action plus 8 books you can publish right after watching the video guide. Yeah, right after watching the video guide you can have the 8 DYF book. You can publish those 8 DYF books into the Amazon. So that is the biggest thing they are providing right now, and also comes with super simple steps with affordable price. Yeah, the price is simply affordable for if you like to start your online journey as a ebook in selling to Kindle publishing rights. So yeah, I think I have cleared all those doubts and queries. If you have any, just comment down below. So this is the 8 DYF books with commercial license plus step-to-step video training. So these are the main selling point of this Amazon Pay. So Another biggest question you have in your mind is, what if I this product doesn't suit me or doesn't work for me after purchase? So this is the biggest question everyone have before purchasing any product. So no worries, because this Amazon Pay comes with 30-day money back guarantee, and even if you didn't get refund from them, just ping me on my email mentioned below. As the joint venture of Worded Plus and Zevizu, I will be there to help you to get your problem solved. And finally, I hope all your doubts and queries are clear. But before signing off, the interesting part is premium bonus. Yes, premium bonus is those for who purchase this product from me from the link mentioned below are the one eligible to get the premium bonus from the house of Z Panda. Yes, I will show the premium bonuses from the house of Z Panda. So if you want to know more about these premium bonuses, I have mentioned the link in the comment section as well as the description. So go there and check it. What are those 5 premium bonus? So this is not some useless promoters give 10 or 20s of free bonuses, which is completely useless. Here, as a Z Panda, we designed a premium bonus in order to help all those who either entrepreneur, marketer, or doing 9 to 5 job, or even a student, whoever or whatever you may be. So that's a 5 premium bonus. To more about that, just click the link mentioned below. So another question is how to avail that. Simple, just purchase the product from the mentioned link in the description and upload the receipt of your purchase in the link mentioned below. That's all. You will receive those premium bonus within a day, and I hope I cleared all your doubts and queries. If you have any, just comment down below. And that's all for today. Thank you, cheers, and bye bye.